the champion teams from different Southeast Asian countries. Asian countries. Sorry. So we're very, very excited. But I guess we can't also siguro veer away from the fact that we have to also focus on our campaign this conference sa All Filipinos sa BPL.
So you said na dream mo ulit at least another shot to represent yung Philippines, kumbaga. Parang how happy are you na you have your chance again?
Well, I just said it a few weeks ago, but ngayon binigyan ulit kami ng pagkakataon, binigyan ako ng chance. So, I'll take it as a really big opportunity to, showcase again siguro kung ano yung mga things na natutunan ko sa mga previous experiences ko from the national team. So, yeah, very blessed to be given this opportunity and I hope maging maayos and maganda yung mapakita namin for the for the Philippines.
Three imports already sa Champions League. Baka may personal wish list na.
Wow, may wish list ako. Honestly, I think those things, syempre management and coaches namin yung mag-uusap for those things, for those kind of mga internal matters. But I'd say my wish list, definitely Erica. We want Erica to be back in our team. And hopefully, ako talaga, as a team, we trust Coach Sherwin and our management kung sino yung feeling nila makakatulong sa amin. We welcome them wholeheartedly and for sure makakatulong talaga and makakakontribute sila sa team.
Malaysa, gano'n lang ka-special to, lalo na home court pa natin.
It's been a while. The last time I feel like I played for the national team in front of our home crowd was back in 2019, the SEA Games. So very, very exciting. It's just so nice na laging kahit pa paano kasama natin mga kababayan natin lumaban representing our country. So, exciting times for Philippine volleyball. Hindi lang naman ito yung look forward natin. Madaming mga tournaments, international tournaments, most especially the men's World Championship will be here also in June. So, exciting times for Philippine volleyball.
Lastly, likely or pwedeng hindi rin having Gia back could be a possibility. How much are you looking forward kung mangyari man?
Wow, we're really excited if those scenario will come through. Then we really miss Gia and we can wait to see her back in action, also wearing the pink jersey. But we still don't know kung ano yung mga things na yung mga commitments niya pagdating sa contract niya outside Manila, outside team line and the national team as well. So yeah, we're just hoping and praying na mas maging maganda yung lineup namin this coming ABC Championship. Thank you guys!
Thank you.